Hey everybody, welcome into my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to find cash buyers through social media platforms so that you can have unlimited cash buyers at any given time and make some more money. So let's hop on over and get started.
Okay, so here we are on Facebook. Let me show you how to get to the groups. You're going to go to your group setting on your social media page, and what we're going to type in is real estate investors. Okay, and as you can see, I have a lot of them on here. Let's see if we can find any ads. Okay, so here's one for you guys right here. Off Market Orlando Flip, and you see it was posted 18 minutes ago. They've already got one person. You can post an ad like this one saying cash buyers, drop your email. You see you got 7 comments, and that was just in the last couple hours with email addresses. Here's one for Tampa with 53 comments, 53 email addresses. There's another one for Orlando. Another one here for Tampa with 56 comments. That's just in a couple days. 56 email addresses. So it's super easy to find cash buyers. If you're going to post a property, post it similar to this right here. Don't put the property address on there. You don't want people trying to go to your seller and get them to negotiate with them instead. And here's another one here, just like this. You don't necessarily have to use the backgrounds. And this one has 44 comments since yesterday with email addresses. So that is a real easy way, 9 comments here, to find cash buyers on your Facebook groups.